Welcome back to our channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a fan of woodworking or just looking for perfect for beginners or anyone how to want to complete for project with just a few hours, either you are woodworking, scrap wood furniture, how want to complete a project is just a few hours, either you are working with scrap wood or pushing fresh numbers with projects for all about making the most how what you have, from crafting a simple candle holder to building a stylish makes shelves. We have got to how to want here, from crafting a simple candle holder to building stylish. Before we jump into the project idea, let's talk about materials. On the best things about small wood project is do not require lots of wood, making them perfect for using up scrap of the smaller species you might have lying around. Hardwood like oak or walnut can add a touch of elegance to your project, while softer woods like pine are easier to work for more budget friendly. High selecting your wood considers for grain pattern, color, and how it may complement the final design. Do not forget about the reclaimed wood. Each eco-friendly further add a character to your project with the unique history and patience. Now that we got our materials, let's talk tools. The beauty of small wood project is that you do not need a fully stocked workshop to get started. Basic tools like a saw, hammer, a set of chisels, and a drill will go a long way. A good type of mayers and combination square of essentials for accurate cut and measurements. If you are looking to invest the power tools, jigsaw and random orbitals and are greater condition that can make your work quicker and make research. Safety is key to make sure you wear safety goggles and wear protection. Always work to ventilated areas. Small book project. Let's dive into the world project. First up, I have to classic wood candles holder. The project is simple yet elegant and make made from single pieces of wood. Start by cutting the wood to the desired length and then drill. Eventually speed holes fit stand size candles sand down for the smooth finish, and you get got beautiful centerpieces for your tables. Next, let's talk about wall mounted shelves. This project is only functional but also great way to display books, plants, decorative items. Cut your wood to size and use brackets. How would call assembled shelves. Adding a finish such as stain, paint, reality make the pop of match your home decor. Another fun project is wooden phone stand. This is great gift idea for your mate in various styles, from simple block with the grove to more intricate design, space charging cables. It is practical items that notice use every day. If you are feeling more adventurous, try making a modern serving tray. The project involves sketching your wood size, adding handles, and finishing if your wood shape all to varnish. It is project that combines function with styles you can customize to match your kitchen's aesthetic. Lastly, it consider small bottom box is a sliding light, a bit more advanced, is required to precise cuts, careful assembling, but also result beautiful. Functional pieces art can store anything from jewelry to keys, specs. You can personalize is further by graving, adding a decorative handwear Finish your project is basic happens. A will applied fee protect a wood but also enhance your nature beauty. But just standing to pieces throughout working, you can form easiest to get for fine, get a smooth surface depending on the look where you're going for. You can choose between a clear varnish, a wood stains, or even a paint. If you want to add some character, consider distressing the wood of sliding, applying a wax finish for a soft matte. For those small intricate details like carving of wood, burning, take your time and practice a scrapbook before coming to your final space. Every woodworking project comes with its own set of challenge, especially for you working on a smaller scale. If you find you cut a note state for your likes, double check your measurements and make your choosing sharp plant. Splattering is another common issue, practically with soft woods to customize, minimize this painter tips along with cut lines to consider cutting with the grains. If your project is not coming together to plan, do not afraid to make adjustable or even start it over. Woodworking is a match about problem solving. It is about creating. Remember, practice for key. And there you it few fast project ideas to get create choice following with project are not only a great way to practice your working skills are not to create something unique and personal for your home to give as a gift. The possibilities are endless, and the more your equipment and more confident you are it become it your abilities. If you are enjoyable these ideas, do not forget to like, subscribe, notification bell to stay updated for all the latest project. We are love to what you are create. So before sure to show finished project with your comment below our social media. Thanks for watching and until next time, happy woodworking. Thank you so much for watching this video.